Did you know that urinary tract infections, UTIs, are one of the most common health conditions among women? It's estimated that 1 in 2 women will suffer from at least one UTI in their lifetime. But what many don't know is that UTIs don't only affect the urinary tract, they also impact intimate health, emotional well-being, and even quality of life. And the worst part, the frequency of these infections is increasing, with many women facing a constant battle to get rid of the painful symptoms. According to studies, over 150 million cases of urinary tract infections occur annually worldwide, with a significant number of these being recurrent. That means many women experience these episodes repeatedly, even after antibiotic treatment. What most people don't realize is that these treatments don't address the underlying issue, which could be an imbalance in the vaginal microbiome. You've probably felt that uncomfortable pain and burning sensation when urinating, or the constant urge to go to the bathroom even when there's nothing there. These are some of the most common symptoms of a urinary tract infection. And the worst part, after taking antibiotics, the symptoms can come back within just a few weeks. This cycle seems never ending, doesn't it? It's not just the physical symptoms. The emotional toll is devastating. The fear of another infection, the anxiety of constantly worrying about intimate health, the embarrassment of talking about the issue with others. I know you must be looking for something that will finally work and bring lasting relief. That's why thousands of women in the UK and Canada are trusting Flora Guard to prevent UTIs and restore intimate health. Flora Guard is not just another antibiotic, but an innovative supplement containing 5 probiotic strains that restore a healthy vaginal flora, balance the vaginal pH, and most importantly, reduce recurring urinary tract infections. These probiotics are scientifically proven to fight harmful bacteria overgrowth and restore the balance necessary to prevent infections. With Flora Guard, you're not just treating symptoms, but addressing the root cause of the infections, promoting vaginal health, and preventing recurrent UTIs. Flora Guard offers several benefits for women suffering from recurring UTIs. Among the key benefits are the combination of probiotic strains helps restore healthy vaginal flora, preventing the growth of infection-causing bacteria. The supplement helps restore a balanced vaginal microbiome, especially after antibiotic treatments or hormonal changes. Relieves uncomfortable symptoms like burning, urgency, and pain when urinating. Maintains a healthy vaginal pH level, making it harder for harmful bacteria to grow and reducing irritation. Supports ongoing vaginal health, preventing recurrent infections and strengthening the natural barrier against harmful bacteria. Flora Guard contains 5 clinically studied probiotic strains, including Lactobacillus reuteri and Lactobacillus rhamnosus, which are widely recognized for their ability to support vaginal health. These strains work together to restore balance to the vaginal microbiome and prevent UTIs. Now, you might be wondering, is this supplement safe? The good news is that Flora Guard is 100% natural and formulated to be safe for daily use. There are no known side effects. However, as with any supplement, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before starting, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any pre-existing medical conditions. If you're tired of constantly taking antibiotics and living in fear of another infection, Flora Guard is the natural and effective solution you've been waiting for. Don't let UTIs continue to dominate your life and well-being. Start restoring your intimate health today and experience the difference that thousands of women are already feeling. If you're ready to take the next step and finally be free from recurring infections, click the link in the description to grab your bottle of Flora Guard at a special price. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on intimate health and wellness. Give us a like, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever new videos are posted, and share this video with someone who needs to know about this supplement. Your health deserves this care. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your intimate health and say goodbye to recurring urinary tract infections. Flora Guard is here to help thousands of women live with more comfort and confidence. Don't wait for tomorrow to improve your quality of life today.